Today's video is how to make carrot fries. Now, carrots are a lunchbox staple. I usually buy about 1 or 2 pounds a week, either the baby carrots or the coins. But if you're like me that often keeps a pound of whole carrots, a bag in your fridge, this is an awesome side dish that you're gonna love whipping up in the middle of the week. So here I've already pre-cut my carrot fries, but all you have to do is peel your carrot and cut it about 2 inches in length and slice it in a way that is like a fry. So obviously carrots are kind of hard to cut, so you know, the bottom, the bases, when they are larger, you may want to quarter them. And what's so fun about this is that, you know, you're grilling chicken or you are pan frying some chicken and then you're like, I need something to serve with my chicken. So these are a terrific side dish that you can even prep ahead, make them really easily, and they can go in the oven and you can move on to doing something else because you don't really have to stir them. So in this sheet pan, I just lined it with parchment paper and I'm gonna spread my carrots around. And you can honestly season these with just about anything. You can keep it simple like I'm gonna do today with just some olive oil right over the top like this in every fry, and then pepper, some salt. I often find that some of the most delicious recipes are usually the simplest, and I like to give these a little extra flavor with just a little bit of garlic powder. Now you could use your favorite all-purpose seasoning or Italian seasoning for this. And then you are going to just, with clean hands, toss them into the olive oil and the seasonings so they get coated and every fry is delicious. Now I'm using carrots, but you could use turnips or even zucchini. Oh, I have this recipe for Parmesan zucchini that if you need another veggie side dish, I'm gonna link right below this video as well. And I'm sticking these into the oven, but a lot of people always ask if they could cook these in an air fryer, and the answer is yes. I'm sure your air fryer has directions on how to make fries. Same way, you could also use sweet potatoes for these. So many options and possibilities, and kids love to use this as a side or dip it in homemade ranch dressing, which I also have a recipe on this channel for you. So that was super easy and super fast, and all we're gonna do is stick them in the oven. Guys, let's check these out. They are the perfect healthy side dish. They're soft, fork tender, cooked inside. They are a family Kickstart program favorite recipe, and if you have no idea what that is, I'm gonna link right below this video is my 30-day program to help you and your family eat healthier, clean meals, and that's where you're gonna be cooking one meal for everyone. So make sure to check that out and the recipe for these. Super good. See you next week.